Hey traders, welcome to Trading Journals. You've probably heard Jigsaw Trading hyped as the holy grail for order flow trading, but sometimes what looks advanced on the outside ends up falling short where it really counts, and that can cost you more than just a few dollars. So today in this Jigsaw Trading review, we're diving deep into what this platform actually does and if it's really worth your hard-earned money. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the people who've used the platform, because let's be honest, when you're about to drop hundreds on a trading software, you don't just want to hear the sales pitch, you want to know if people are actually happy with this day trading software. So we dug into tons of Jigsaw Trading reviews, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Now, when you're reviewing any platform like the Jigsaw platform, it's smart to start with the negative feedback. They usually highlight things that catch people off guard. One user shared that he regretted signing up after being charged $300, even though they canceled the day after signing up. He mentioned that Jigsaw software seemed to promise an easy refund in the first 14 days, but when he tried to cancel, the refund didn't come. He said someone from the Daytradr platform told him he could still access the training, so they'd be keeping the $300. But here's what's interesting. Peter, the CEO of Jigsaw Trading platform, actually jumped in personally. He replied, saying that if the refund request was made within the 14 days, it should absolutely have gone through. He even asked the reviewer to reach out directly to sort it out. Now, that's not a great look overall. Getting charged after canceling, that'd tick anyone off, but let's think about that for a second. It's not often you see a CEO jumping into the trenches of online reviews to sort out a refund. That kind of response tells you two things. First, that the company does care about the customer experience, and second, that situations like this aren't really the norm. I mean, Jigsaw Trading has a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, and with thousands of users, that says a lot. Honestly, if problems like this were common, we'd be seeing floods of complaints, especially since most people who lose money in trading don't hold back in the review section. That said, if you sign up and ever have any reason to change your mind, the best thing to do is email them directly with your cancellation request and to document everything, just to be safe. That way, if you do need to go through your credit card company for a refund, you have the paper trail just in case. Now, on the flip side, many users swear by the platform. One trader said that he'd tried several platforms like Pro Realtime, TradingView, and Sierra Chart, but once he got into Jigsaw, he noticed the platform gave him a clearer structure. He liked how the platform actually guides you through developing your edge step by step. Another user praised the support, especially from Peter. He mentioned that instead of just answering an email, Peter offered to hop on a call twice. Once to break things down, and again to check if he was on track. All for free. And this wasn't some beginner asking how to click buttons. This was someone really trying to sharpen their skills. And that kind of support, you don't see it much these days. So while there may be some bumps for a few users, the vast majority seem to get solid tools and even better support. Now, let's talk about why traders love Jigsaw. Most day trading platforms promise a lot, but Jigsaw Trading actually delivers tools that professionals take seriously. If you're an active day trader looking for clarity in the chaos, this is where it gets interesting. The core of Jigsaw's day trading platform is the Jigsaw Daytradr software. It's not built to impress with fancy animations or colors. It's built to give you real-time information that you can act on. This tool brings order flow to life in a way that even seasoned traders find valuable. You can see where orders are stacking up, how the tape is flowing, and where institutional interest might be hiding. The depth and sales interface lets you get inside the market's head. You can watch the aggression between buyers and sellers play out second by second. It's fast, detailed, and completely focused on giving you the kind of edge that's hard to find with traditional charts. And it's not just about watching either, it's about acting. The depth of Market Ladder allows you to execute directly within the interface. It's clean, efficient, and precise, ideal for traders who rely on execution, speed, and visibility. Next is their trade analytics tool. Now, this is where things go from good to game-changing. Most day trading platforms stop at showing you charts and letting you place trades. Jigsaw takes it a step further by helping you understand yourself as a Jigsaw trader. Their Journalytics platform is a full-blown performance review system. It tracks every trade you make, breaks down your best strategies, your worst habits, and shows you where the leaks are. You get psychological tagging, trade-by-trade analysis, and even real-time chat with other users using the same tools. If you've ever wondered why your order flow trading performance hits a wall, this is where you start getting answers. And then there's Jigsaw Education. Let's face it, advanced tools are useless without knowing how to use them. Jigsaw's day trading education portal is built specifically for intermediate to advanced traders. You're learning directly from professionals who walk you through order flow strategies, DOM analysis, and building setups with Edge. There's also an exclusive members community and ongoing webinars where traders break down live market action, so you're not left to figure out things on your own. And when you combine all of that, the pro-grade software, in-depth analysis, and real trading education, you're looking at a full ecosystem designed to turn serious traders into even better and more profitable traders. But does that make Jigsaw Trading platform perfect? Of course not. If there's one thing to be aware of, it's that Jigsaw is not your plug-and-play day trading for beginners platform. And that's actually by design. Everything about Jigsaw is built for precision, and that comes with complexity. When you first open up the software, it can be a little overwhelming. There are a lot of moving parts. You've got ladders, order flow charts, DOM windows, tape reading panels. It's a lot to take in at first glance. But that's only a downside if you're expecting a basic day trading tool. If you're here to treat trading like a real business, the complexity becomes your best friend. And truthfully, Jigsaw does a good job helping you ease into it. The tutorials are detailed, the education is practical, and everything you need is just right there and close by, including support. So how much is all of this going to cost? Well, the platform is reasonably priced considering the tools you're getting. It's definitely not the cheapest one out there, but it's not meant to be. And frankly, if you're serious about professional trading, the cost becomes an investment. Check the link in the description for the current pricing, commissions, and also grab any available promos or discounts. We try to keep that updated. So, from this Jigsaw Trading review, is Jigsaw Trading worth your money? If you're serious about order flow trading and ready to move beyond basic charts and indicators, then yes, Jigsaw gives you the tools, the education, and the community to help you grow. Check the link in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.